quick little car wash to get her back shining and shining right. Now, as you guys do know, it is not a pavement princess, but I do want to take care of it, you know. There's a lot of mud and stuff under there. Sorry about the car wash owner, but you got to do what you got to do. Now we can go home and actually fully detail the truck. Yeah. Now this is a super cold start. It's probably only about 21 degrees outside. Let's see if she'll fire. I've been going all week, so. The 1989 GTA Trans Am that is going to be our project car, and we are going to touch base on this. But first, we haven't driven the C5 in a while. There is still some snow behind it, but I think we got to take it out and have some fun. So before we do that, I want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. I hope everyone is having a fantastic year. We are just getting this channel kicked off. We are going to do some great things, and I'm excited. Some of you might already be able to tell what we are going to do to the Trans Am back here. Some of you might not. We will get into that, but first, let's just go have a little fun with the C5. I'll do a little talking, you know, tell you what I plan on doing with this car and everything like that, and we'll go from there. If you are just tuning in for the first time, or you are new to the channel, that is my F450 back there. That is the one that we just did all the generator running around and everything in. The truck is an absolute beast. This is actually what started the channel. And, you know, it's sort of the heartbeat of the channel per se. So let's jump in the car. I'll do some explaining of which way we're going to take this car, where we're going to take this car, and then we will be back. And I'll just kind of do like a run through of some of the fun times I've had so far, you know, up until this point on the channel. And I've had a bunch of fun times. We've had the Integra that made popcorn. If you haven't seen it, go back through and check it out. I mean, we've just had some fun. We took the golf cart to a local Advanced Auto, which was about 7 miles away. That was sort of a fun video, things like that. So just, you know, scroll through, let me know what you guys like and don't like, and we will make sure to progress from there. So let's get out here and do a little drive video of the C5. Actually turns out to be the right side. I have the GoPro mounted completely upside down, trying to get a little, you know, footage for you guys. basically, you know, I just want to say what we're going to do to the car. We're going to make some changes, and I'm not 100% which direction I'm going to take this Corvette now. As you do know, I did want this to be a drag car, a fun car, and a street car. However, I'm not 100% which direction I want to go with it now. I know I've owned the car for about a little less than a year. Completely, you know, I did sell it to Mike, and then I bought it, or yeah, I sold it to Mike and then bought it back. But I've almost owned it a year. We're about a month and a half away from a whole year of ownership of this car, and I couldn't be any more excited about where the car is. This is 100% where I wanted this car to be when I started filming YouTube. I wanted it to be a fun street car, you know, fast, reliable, and good to go, and that's where we're at right now. Now, a bunch of people might say, you know, oh, why don't you make it a drag car so you can, you know, be the fastest thing on four wheels? And I don't know that I want to take this car, you know, and do that to it. I'm very happy with where it's at. Like I was saying before, I do have some pretty good sponsors, you know, here on Speed, Turbos and Turbo Kit. You know, the car is not the fastest thing on four wheels. I do like the car. It is 100% where I wanted to take this car when I first bought the car, and we're kind of here with it, you know. The only thing I could change up is probably some cosmetic things, which I will end up doing here soon, and that's sort of it. I think I am honestly done and happy with this car. You know, we could add a couple more pounds of boost, have some fun, but I'm really just tired of breaking things on the car. Like, as of right now, I can get out here, I can enjoy it. It makes 700 wheel to the ground, and you know, it's a pretty gnarly street car. You know, it's not going to be the fastest thing. I'm going to get beat by things, and I'm going to beat some things. But you know, I think with this car, we are done with where we're going to take it, which then leads us to the GTA Trans Am build, which that is a build that I think you guys are going to, you know, enjoy. It's something that I didn't think I would ever do with the car. Definitely something I never thought I would do with the car, and you know, I've come to the point where I've decided that we're never going to sell the car. The car is always going to be a part of my family, and it doesn't really matter what I do to that car, because as long as it remains in the family, there is no real value to the car. So I'm not looking to ever sell that car. This car, obviously, I would sell before the Trans Am ever, and I'm just sort of, you know, I'm excited for what we're gonna do. Let me get back to the house here, and we will go over every detail, you know, and explain to you guys where we are gonna take that car, what we are gonna do, and I hope you guys are excited about it. I believe a lot of you are gonna be excited, because I did get a bunch of excitement and a bunch of expressed opinions to do this swap, and well, we have it, we might as well utilize it, and I think you guys know where I'm going, so I will see you when we get back to the house. All right, guys, so if you are, you know, if you haven't guessed it yet, you know, now's the time to guess it. And it is true. We are officially going to put the engine out of Grandpa into the Trans Am. So it is officially going to be an LS2 car with a cam. I don't know what trans we're gonna go with, probably a 4L80. I'm not sure yet. We're gonna figure out all the details and everything like that. And like I said, I'm not 100% of which way we are gonna do it, but we are going to LS2 swap the car. As you can tell, we have the valve covers from Grandpa, and as you do know, if you do follow the channel, I do still have the engine. It is actually in the house. Yes, it is in my house next to the washer and dryer. Let's go show you that now. Well, there you have it. As I said, we still have the LS2 out of Project Grandpa in my little workshop area back here, and I'm excited, guys. You can see we have the intake, throttle body, everything. We are good to go to get this engine swap running. Now all we have to do is buy all the like, you know, the swap things, headers, motor mounts, everything like that. And, you know, we are going to get this thing kicked off, and we are going to have a bunch of fun with it. Hope you guys are excited. I'm excited. Now, with that, all right, guys, so there you have it. We are LS2 swapping the GTA. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. So with that being said, guys, if you are new to the channel, please smash that like button, please subscribe, because we have a bunch of content coming up. And I know, as you guys did see in the videos, that the lighting and everything was terrible in this truck. Well, we just ordered a bunch of new lighting for this, and we got sent a couple things from us subscriber, which is awesome, and we are going to put them on the truck. Probably not this video, but probably a video later in the middle of the week. So there you have it, guys. The GTA build is kicking off, and I hope you guys are excited. I'm excited. Now I just want to try to find a garage to do all this in, because it's getting cold. It's still about 21 degrees outside here, but I'm glad I got to enjoy the C5. That is what I built that car for, and you know, I think that's where she's going to stay. I don't think we're going to do anything crazy, but maybe play around with some boost and just enjoy that car. That car is not going to be a drag car anymore, guys. I've come to realize that that is not going to be the drag car. Not saying that this is going to be a drag car, but this will be a pretty gnarly street car as well. But this is going to be more or less like a full family car. Like, my kids will be able to jump in it. We'll be able to drive places and go to car shows and things like that with this car. So that is my intentions. That is my hopes. That will be a 1050 or less car too, by the way, just so you guys know. But if you like the content, again, guys, smash that like button. Please subscribe. And we've got a bunch of content coming at you. Take care, and thank you very much. Happy Thanksgiving.